All right, just gonna be a quick opening of the Ntwrk mystery pack. Just got this in today. Figured we'd open it up. You can order stuff like this on their app. I'm pretty sure they only sell stuff through their app. Looks like it's a bunch of Pokemon cards. I have no idea if these are any good. Anybody out there can tell me if I have anything worth of value. That's it. That's all she wrote. I think the highlight of this would have been the stuff that they put in the penny sleeves here. Altria, Cobalion, I've never heard of some of these. Cedra, I remember that one from being a kid. Ladine. So that's it. That's the spot. You can check out the Ntwrk app. They do come out with some original stuff every once in a while. That's where I got my Warren Buffett good luck charm. But yeah, check their app out. Thanks.